Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battle talent is learned and at the level that enables mesh cutting. This matters because thresholds unlock penetration values. Once confirmed, equip the mesh cutting ability to your primary combat bar and bind it to a convenient key so you can react fast. Also prepare the required resource, energy, mana, or a cooldown reset consumable, because trying to execute without it wastes time. Once done, position yourself near cover or a target weak point to immediately test the effect and note mesh timing. You now focus on timing and synergy. Activate the cut and wait the optimal window, about 0, 5 to 1, 2 seconds, because that delay lines up with the mesh vulnerability frame. Then chain with a stagger or interrupt so the target cannot recover. This increases effective penetration. Make sure to apply short buffs or damage multipliers just before the hit, as they amplify value. Once practiced, shift your aim to mesh seams or critical zones. This is why precision matters more than raw speed in this mid-phase. You complete the sequence by immediately following the mesh cut with a burst attack inside 2 seconds to exploit the weakened structure. Timing here converts the opportunity into real damage. If the mesh cut fails or the window expires, reset using cooldown items or back off to refresh the engagement, because repeating at full power matters. If problems persist, check your talent rank, target resistances, and network latency. These often explain inconsistent results. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the scenario in a controlled fight to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.